So McGeoch's got a long history, formed in 1832. It was providing equipment for the marine industry, and we've got equipment that goes back to the Titanic, lighting that went on the Titanic. The products we design and manufacture, they are of high integrity because they ultimately end up either inside a surface ship or a submarine.
McGeoch Technology were making electrical connectors that required ceramic insulation, which they found was an issue. Precision ceramics came out of McGeoch because McGeoch originally developed the machining facility to make the components they needed, and then we developed that into a much broader range of materials. So you look at the applications of space, aerospace, nuclear, you're looking at medical, pharmacological, research and development, and we're heavily involved in all of those areas.
We chose Dynamics initially because the business, I believe, was looking for an all-encompassing package that covered manufacturing, operations and accounts, all within the one software, and Dynamics, and the vision as it was then, seemed to fit that bill pretty well. So when I joined the business 2 years ago, it was evident to me that the business had got a good software system, but it was stagnating really. It was now 15. There wasn't any development going on. We'd lost a lot of internal skills and knowledge of how the system operated. I didn't feel our then partner was particularly helpful or proactive in supporting us, so I felt it was time to look for a new partner. We ultimately decided to go with Tecman because we're a Midlands-based business. We wanted someone local to this business who we could relate to and work with, someone who worked with companies of our size.
Tecman has enabled us to nurture and develop the package and utilise it and tailor-make it around what we require in our business. So we need to be able to track to very finite levels.
We use Microsoft Dynamics for sales, order processing, for manufacturing, for operations, inventory and stock control, stock traceability, which is important to us and to our clients.
We have a contractual requirement to make sure that we track materials. We have an obligation as well to make sure we store that data so we can actually look back if there's a problem in the field at some later point. One of the main reasons for moving to Business Central is it allows us to work through data much more efficiently, actually on system, as opposed to downloading data and working in spreadsheets.
So we've seen a big improvement since we started with Tecman. Certainly more support, more proactive development of our business and systems, and more awareness of what is out there that we can use to develop as well. So in general terms, the upgrade process was easier and quicker than we thought it might be. We also had to overcome and get board's approval to the upgrade as well. So getting their confidence in Tecman to provide us with a quote that was both reliable in terms of cost and also time and delivery was a challenge for me. And I'm pleased to report it came in on time and under budget.
The Business Central package gives us the confidence as a business that we've got the longevity, being a Microsoft Systems package, we've got the longevity of the software, and the data is secured for the length of the projects that we run.
So now we've upgraded, we're on BC14, we want to move forward and develop it further, and part of that will be upgrading beyond BC14 to the more current versions.
McGeoch Technology, from the back streets of Birmingham to the bottom of the oceans to the furthest reaches of the universe.